Fine arts are not just activities. They're a cornerstone of student development and ultimately their success. Currently, over 7,808 students, or 70.4% of our student population, are involved in fine arts, many in multiple courses. Their experiences go beyond the stage and classroom, shaping confidence, creativity, and academic achievement. Participation in fine arts activities correlates with academic success. The bond supports their educational journey by ensuring they have the necessary resources. We've observed students who are more engaged in school, develop a strong sense of community, and excel academically due to their involvement in band, orchestra, or other fine arts programs. This bond investment is crucial for their continued success. The 2025 bond addresses these needs without increasing the tax rate, focusing on providing our students with the tools they need to thrive.
As directors, we see the impact of music on our students every day. The 2025 bond includes several provisions that will directly support our band programs. Here's how. Number 1, instrument replacement and repair. Instruments naturally wear out over time. The bond will enable us to replace these every 5 years, ensuring all students have access to quality instruments for both learning and performing. Uniforms. Band uniforms are a source of pride and identity for our students. This bond will fund a rotation system to update uniforms every 5 years, maintaining their quality and appearance. Transportation. Reliable transportation is essential for our fine arts students to perform at competitions and events. This bond provides funding for new trailers and vehicles, including a replacement trailer and rig for Brazos Wood and a gooseneck trailer for Brazos Port.
Our current trailers are aging and unreliable. This investment ensures that every student, no matter where they perform, can travel safely with the equipment that they need.
This bond also includes vital upgrades to fine arts technology, including new stage and recording microphones, music storage solutions, and sound and lighting board replacements at the John McGee Performance Center. These upgrades mean that our students can perform with the best possible equipment and submit the highest quality audition recordings for all state and out-of-band consideration.
The 2025 bond includes funding for fine arts needs for all 7,800 fine arts students in Brazos Port ISD, without increasing the tax rate. To learn more, visit the 2025 bond website.
Fine arts shape our students in ways that last a lifetime. Whether it's through music, theater, or visual arts, these experiences help them grow, connect, and succeed. The 2025 bond includes funding to support these programs and the thousands of students who participate in them. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about what's included in the 2025 bond.